Woo! Nice. That's it. Okay. Is that it?
Sure.
Cool, thanks, man.
Oh my gosh. All right.
Do these things grip?
Yeah, I can tell.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, today's video is gonna be super fun. Now, in the last video you saw us put in the new seats. Today we're getting wheels, tires, suspension.
Up in the wheel game.
We're doing a bunch today, guys. I'm super excited.
Right? You bought a full autocross tire.
That's right, guys. I got the Falken RT660. This is basically a full autocross tire. And look at that wheel, dude. That bronze with that tire looks so sick. Now these are the Konig Hypergrams finished in race bronze. Now the factory wheels are 25 pounds a piece. These are 16 pounds a piece. So if my math is correct, that's 9 pounds per wheel
That is 9 pounds. And I'm super excited that you finally got the math correct and we can stop shooting.
Don't look up my ACT scores. I'm not good at math, David.
Okay, well, for the viewers at home, can you finally admit that you're getting super excited about this thing?
To be honest with you, now that we've got this wheel and tire set up, I'm getting pretty pumped.
It's gonna be awesome.
Now, David being our resident coilover expert,
Whisperer,
Whisperer, you're going to be installing the coilovers for me. Now, these are the Raceland Classic coilovers for this Mini. Now, we're also doing bushings, rubbers, and links to make sure this thing is right and smooth. What do you think?
I'm going to be installing it?
You're going to be installing this.
I thought you said you were going to help.
Now, you said you can help with mods. Remember that?
Yeah, but you're going to help too.
Okay, fine. I'll help you install these.
But this is going to make the car feel amazing. And we gave you a little keychain.
Oh, cool. Look, a little keychain. You sure this isn't actually the coilover for the car?
This is the rear coilover setup.
Okay,
so.
cool. Perfect.
Okay, guys, as we mentioned in several of our other videos, our coilovers are designed for street-driven vehicles, so they are going to reuse the factory upper strut mounts. This is going to make sure that fitment, ride quality is going to be really good with this vehicle. Obviously, as we mentioned before, height adjustable, 1 to 3 inches lower than factory ride heights. You can adjust both front and rear. Obviously, we include the wrenches to adjust the ride height, but these are just going to overall, especially with the new bushings that we got, is going to give the vehicle a completely different feel. It's just going to transform the Mini. Yeah, that thing is beautiful.
Ooh, let me get the most important part.
I thought this was your one job, was to order the hood struts.
I forgot to order these.
How does that feel good to you?
Yeah, that's nice.
It looks good.
All right, guys, coilovers are in, wheels and tires are mounted. Hey, good job.
Hey, thanks for helping. Not.
It was a really important job called cameraman.
Yeah, you were barely doing that, but at least we know that nothing's gonna fall apart since you didn't touch anything. So
Perfect.
Let's get this little center cap in to finish it off. I do appreciate that Konig includes a metal cap rather than a lot of these plastic caps that you see, so these are gonna look great. Yeah. It looks great.
Did you torque the lugs down?
We'll find out.
You didn't torque the lugs down?
We'll find out.
You can immediately feel it.
It's tight.
Tight.
I told you it would be.
Ooh.
No more squeaking. All right, easy there. All right, guys, so coilovers are on. We got the wheels and tires. This thing is gripping up amazing. So we're out in American Fork Canyon here in Utah. Tons of twisty turns. And it really is putting the suspension and the tires through the paces. It's riding awesome. Dude,
This thing stops so much faster now.
you look adorable.
Thanks.
You guys are having a moment.
What is?
You! You love it.
I'm having a connection with the Mini.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
It's looking good.
Dude, I am super excited for this. Are we rubbing?
I think we're good. I think we trimmed just enough.
These things look so good.
Way good.
Dude, why are you doing the slapping thing?
I don't know, it just feels good to slap.
It looks weird.
It doesn't look weird.
Do you think we made the right choice?
I think we made the perfect choice. They're super light. Guys, these are the Konig Hypergrams. Now they're finished in race bronze. Now, I don't know about you guys, I would say that wheels and tires probably transform a car more than any other mod. Now, obviously the suspension is sitting us about 2 inches lower, which is looking awesome. But these wheels, dude, they're looking so sick. What do you think?
I'm just happy to get out of the car because your driving was making me want to throw up.
Did I make the right choice on the wheels?
I think you did, but I think this thing's coming together. I'm super excited.
I would reckon to say this thing handles better than the Focus.
I wouldn't say better than the Focus, but you are getting close, but you are lacking in a very important department, the power. This thing is just too slow.
This thing is not exactly fast. Now, I don't know about you guys, I'm getting more and more excited about this build as it comes on. Now, the next thing we got planned, we're obviously going big power. Well, I shouldn't say big power, say mini power, but a little bit big.
We're going a tiny bit more power, but it needs it really bad.
Let's put it this way, it's gonna sound a lot better and then I guess breathe a little bit better?
Man, it's gonna breathe moderately better, but I'm very excited.
All right guys, I can't lie, I'm actually getting way excited about this Mini Cooper. Now David, are you liking it?
Dude, I've been excited the whole time and it's only getting better.
I love this little thing. Anyways guys, if you're interested, I'm gonna put links in the description to the wheels, the tires, the suspension. Now, please do us a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like because in the next video, we'll be announcing a giveaway. What do you think we're giving away, David?
I don't know, you're gonna have to watch the next video.
Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching, we'll see you in the next one.
Oh my gosh, all right.
Dude, these things grip.
Yeah, I can tell. Dude, it's amazing. Let's get the heck out of here.